This plastic washing line has the functions of washing, crushing, drying and baling. It can also efficiently process various types of plastic waste, whether it is PP, PE, PET, PVC, BOP or other plastic types. This recycling line can achieve high-quality processing. First, the plastic labels are evenly transported to the rinsing tank through a belt conveyor. During this process, it is equipped with a magnetic rack to effectively remove air impurities. This improves label recycling quality. After entering the rinse tank, the label can effectively remove dirt and grease on the surface. The rinse tank is made of high-quality stainless steel. It has good corrosion resistance and durability. Chain conveyors and screw conveyors can effectively transport large amounts of plastic and avoid accumulation. This improves conveying efficiency and meets the conveying needs of large volume recycling lines. The washed labels are conveyed to the crusher to be crushed into smaller flakes for subsequent processing. The crushed plastic flakes are transported from the outlet of the crusher to the feed inlet of the squeezer through the screw feeder. The oyster is squeezed out by the extrusion action of the screw. This improves the quality of the final product. After squeezing, the flakes are transported to the baler machine through a belt conveyor for baling. This is convenient for subsequent recycling and storage. For more information about plastic recycling, you can see our website.